Now, if you see China, China is totally landlocked. That is what it is. So, if China has to do trade, then it has to definitely do it via sea. And if it has to do via sea, then it has to come down to this place and then cross this place. This is known as Malacca Strait. Very good. 800 kilometers is the length of Malacca Strait. And the width, maximum width is about 200 kilometers. And it is about 65 kilometers when it is the narrowest. But what is most important is when we call Malacca Strait as a choke point for China. So at a place called here near Singapore, so we've got a port here in which India has got access to the Singapore port. So this is your end of Indonesia. Here we got Sabang port, and that port is coming up, and India has got full access to this. And south of Myanmar, which is the small island, which is very important for China, and China has got a base there. What is it? Coco Island. And Coco Island is very close to Andaman Nicobar. Your Coco Island is just at this point of south of Myanmar, very close to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, so that's what China has positioned itself there. And over a period of time, China knows the importance of Andaman Nicobar Island as far as the world is concerned, and of course India is concerned. We can choke them there. So China has been taking care. China does not think of tomorrow or next 2 years or 3 years. They think of 50 years hence. So their aim, what is their aim in 50 years? China's aim? They want to be the world leaders and bring America down. That is their aim. They talk of 50 years hence. And once they have made a program of 50 years, mind you, they stick to the deadlines. What is important, when you have a program, they have to stick to the deadlines. But as of today, China, I'm sure, is not able to do that. Why so? China has got a program for the next 50 years. But now I'm saying it is not able to do so. Why do you think so? Exactly. Very good. Give a hand to Ajay. He's saying strong economy. जो कि अभी China का नहीं है. China's growth rate is how much? Just about 2 to 3%, 3.5. It fluctuates between 4 and 3. So they cannot cope up with the program that they have made. So their economy is going down. It's going to implode. On top we see that China's bloody GDP is so much, but internally China is hollow. When it is going to explode, we don't know. You see, China, सबसे पहले it has started investing a lot of money in Belt and Road Initiative 1. BRI, Belt and Road Initiative. उसके लिए उसको पैसा चाहिए था, naturally. So what did it do? It showed bloody dreams to the population of China कि मैं आपके लिए घर बनाऊंगा. क्या बनाऊंगा? घर बनाऊंगा.
तो लोगों ने कहा चलो 2 घर बनाएंगे, एक घर में रहेंगे, एक किराए पे चढ़ाएंगे, पैसा आता रहेगा. घर बनाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. बिल्डर्स कहाँ से पैसा लेंगे? बिल्डर्स बैंक से पैसा लेंगे. बैंक के पास पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? पब्लिक का पैसा जा रहा है. पब्लिक खाली हो गई, बैंक के पास पैसा चला गया, बैंक ने बिल्डर्स को दे दिया, बिल्डर्स घर बनाने लगे, उसी में से पैसा निकाल के BRI शुरू हुआ दुनिया में. लेकिन क्या हुआ? इसी के बीच में वुहान आ गया. क्या आ गया? वुहान मतलब कोरोना वायरस. बात समझ में आई? सारे फैक्ट्रीज को बंद करना पड़ा. क्या करना पड़ा? अरे जोर से बोलो, क्या करना पड़ा? इसका मतलब दुनिया का नौकरी निकल गया. चाइना का नौकरी निकल गया. अब चाइना के लोगों का नौकरी निकल गया. ना तो घर में पैसा है, वो पैसा कहाँ जाके रख दिया उन लोगों ने? और ना बैंक के पास पैसा है, बिकॉज बैंक ने किसको दे दिया? बैंक ने बिल्डर्स को दे दिया और गवर्नमेंट को दिया कि ये BRI बनाइए. जैसे आपके यहाँ चाइना पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर. तो बैंक खाली, इतना कर्जा लोगों पर, लोगों का जॉब नहीं. तो क्या हालात है चाइना का?